Superdome the first time. Charlie Batch, the rookie, playing with a lot of poise. The swing pass to field goal Tommy Vardell. Helmet gets taken off, but he keeps going for a 9-yard pickup. He's tough. Same drive, Barry Sanders. Now watch this. Outside, inside, outside, inside. We've seen this so many times. 37-yard pickup sets up a Jason Hansen field goal. So it's 3-0 second quarter. Randall Cunningham, 3rd and 20 to David Palmer. And you might as well face it, Palmer's addicted to a first down. 4 plays later, Cunningham to Jake Reed. He's been the quiet man this year, but 11-yard touchdown, 7-3, the Vikings. Now, Charlie Batch, we talked about his poise this morning. Of course, you get poise when you get a play like this. Barry Sanders, and look who's out throwing the block. Batch right there.
Yeah, you take another look at this play, at least the end of this play, you're going to see Barry Sanders coming back around. Charlie Batch, the presence of mind to throw a nice block on Robert Griffin right there, number 24.
So 2 plays later, 4th and 1. This is Batch, the little screen to Johnny Martin for first down and more. 3 plays later on 3rd and 11. Batch. To Morton. First down, 20-yard pickup. 1st and goal. Now on 3rd down, oh, that's just a pretty loft to Morton for a touchdown. The Lions lead at 13-10 at the half. But the second half, Dennis Green's Vikings got going. Oh, by the way, lost in all this, they have one of the most automatic field goal kickers of all time. Well, his 400th field goal right there, Gary Anderson, is more than anyone else. He has 7 this year against the Lions alone. Lions are saying, get him out of here. 3rd and goal for the Vikes. Randall Cunningham. Chris Carter, all he does?
Catch touchdown.
What a beautiful play, 20-13.
Yeah, and we've gotten so used to watching Chris Carter do this. The balance at the back of the end zone, the great set of hands, the great leaping ability. Notice him look down to see where he is and then make sure he gets the feet in.
Next Vikings possession. Talk about weapons. Look at Robert Smith. The slow move to the line, and he could go all the way. Mark Carrier twisted.
Well, got to learn to use the sideline.
27-13. Batch back to pass. Oh, and Jimmy Hitchcock is going to star in his own film. 39 steps to the end zone. 79 yards. Touchdown. John Randall tries to console the rookie, says there'll be better days, but not when you play the Vikings. The Vikings have won them all. They were 10-0 once back in 1975, and they win today by the count of